Hello everyone and welcome to She's Got Legs. So I'm Taj Harris and today we are going to focus on, yes, you guessed it, all about the legs. So I have several exercises that we're going to do. We're going to do a little bit on the right, a little bit on the left. Work it out because bikini season is coming, shorts will be out, and we want our legs to look tight. So let's start with our warm-up. We're gonna have our feet hip distance apart. I want you to bring your hands in front of you like this and just bring your knees all the way up to your hands. So we're just kind of warming up the legs for about 30 seconds together. Make sure as you stand here, you're pulling your belly into your spine. You wanna stand up nice and tall. So I don't wanna see this, right? Don't lean over, lift up. Good, keep going. Also try to stay light on your feet so you're not just stomping your legs down on the floor. Nice. Good. Now if you don't get your legs all the way up on the very first try, it's okay. Next time, try a little harder. It's all good. You got it. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, rest. Beautiful. So now we're gonna keep our feet hip distance apart, coming to our first exercise, which is a squat. Nothing too crazy, you've probably done this before. So we're sitting the hips back and then standing up. I want you to try to get as low as you possibly can. When you squat, gaze down past your knees for me so that you can see the edge of your sneakers. If you can't, you need to push your butt back a little bit further. Now, if reaching your arms out is too intense for you, just keep your hands on your hips and squat down and up. Think about giving the buns a little squeeze at the top. Good. Pulling that belly in, dropping it like it's hot, and bringing it back up. Nice work. All right, so we got 3 more of these to go. And then we're moving on to what is called a pulse hold squat. Here we are, last one. So keep your feet exactly where they are. We're going down, down, hold it, stand up. Pulse, hold it down, stand up. Pulse, get low and stand. Pulse, get low and stand. Each time you do it, see if you can get a little bit lower. Yeah, pulse, get low and stand. Pulse, down low and up. Woo, I'm starting to feel my thighs, feeling my glutes. Yeah. All right, 2 more times. You got it, last one. Pulse, down and up. All right, whew. Let's shake that out. So I'm gonna turn to the side a little bit for this next exercise. We'll be on one leg in a warrior 3 position. So standing on my leg, knees bent, bringing the back leg behind me. Hands are on the thighs, so we're here. I'm gonna pulse the leg up into the air. So standing in this position, obviously working the leg that I'm standing on, keeping the knee soft so that I'm not locked out in the joint, and then pulsing this leg up to the sky, working on the derriere. Pull that belly in. Think about trying to focus your eyes on a point. Good. How are we doing out there? Hopefully your buns are feeling it. Keep your eyes focused. The more you look around, the more unstable you get. Good. All right, let's go ahead and switch to the opposite side. So we're coming on up, we're just gonna change weight, bring it onto one leg, and then lift the other leg. Again, make sure that knee is slightly bent, pull that belly toward the spine, and draw the leg up toward the ceiling. As you can see, I'm trying to lengthen my body, so try not to round like this. Stick the chest out and really kick back through the leg behind you. So you might notice that one side is a little bit more stable than the other side, and that's okay. That just reminds you that you're a normal person. You got this. Keep on working. Hopefully you're feeling it right here in your quads and your glutes. So both glutes are working. One is working stabilizing and the other one is working by pulsing. Yeah, bikini time. All right, we got about 8 more. And 3, 2, 1. Whew. Hello buns. Go ahead and walk it off. So now we're gonna do a 1-leg calf raise. And you might get a little tired, you may need to take a break, but it's okay. So shift your weight to 1 leg, put the opposite foot behind you. You can bring your hands onto your hips or out to the side if it helps you to balance. And we're just gonna lift up and down. So everyone's always thinking about, summer, there's no snow on the ground, there's no ice. We can finally put our high heel shoes back on. But we want our calves to look really good in those shoes. So here we are, focusing primarily on the calf muscles. Here we go, up and down. You got this. Good. You feeling a little burn? I'm feeling a little burn in there. Keep going. Don't forget we have to do the other leg, so don't get too comfortable. All right, one more time. And whew, ouch. Let's go ahead and switch to the opposite side. Put that foot behind and we're going up and down. Nice and steady. You got it. So again, you might find like this side might be a little bit different. This is my shakier side, which is very funny because I'm right-handed, but the right side seems to be the shaky side, but it's all good. Just hang in there and keep on working. Trying to lift that heel up as high as you can go, up and down. Using that core to help you to stay balanced, and of course, keeping your eyes focused on a point. You got this. All right, 2 more times. Woo, and rest. Whoa, that works. But we're not done yet. So we're going on to what is now a pendulum lunge, and I'm adding a side lunge with a knee lift. So in case you want to watch first, hands are on the hips. We lunge forward, same leg, lunge backward, same leg, lunge to the side, bring the knee up to hold. Let's go. Forward, backward, lunge to the side, knee up to hold. You can also move the arms if you like. That may help you to feel grounded. Forward, backward, lunge to the side, knee up. Forward, backward, side, and knee. So we're getting the quads, the glutes, little hamstring, and of course, the inner and the outer thigh. Good job. Almost there, then we're switching sides. One more time. And rest. Whew. All right, let's go ahead and go to the other side. So same thing, forward, back, side, knee up, right into it. Forward, back, side, knee up. Good. Make sure you're bending both knees as much as you can go. This leg stays straight on the side. Perfect. You got this. Come on, we gotta be even, right? 2 more times. Last one. And rest. Whew. All right, we're really close to the end. So this next exercise is a squat with a lateral leg. Blah. So, all right. So we're really close to the end, folks. This next exercise is a squat with a lateral leg lift. So I'm gonna squat down, lift the leg, stay in a squat, and move my legs from side to side. So buns, quads, outer thighs, inner thighs. Good. You got it. Nice. Stay low. Pull that belly in, breathe it out. Good. Keep going. Just a few more seconds, everyone. You got this. Don't quit. Are your buns burning? It's okay because we are working for those bikinis and those short shorts. Yes. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish the other leg. Woo. Nice work, everyone. So there you have it. That was the end of our series of lower body she got leg exercises. I hope you had a good time, and if you feel like, you know what, I need a little bit more of that, go ahead and hit replay on that screen and do it again. Do it as many times as you like, and I'll see you on the next video.